Let's take a look at the Tineco Stretch S6 cordless wet vacuum cleaner. Now they have several of them, so this is the model that we're looking at over here. What comes in the box is the charging dock, the machine itself, the cleaning liquid, an extra roller as well as filter. So you get two of each, a brush so you can clean out the inside filter. We are going to put it on the dock and then test it out. You can self-clean on this. Easy to put away and charge at the same time, and it aesthetically looks very nice. This is a two-prong cord and easy to put away. Has your power button on there as well as the cleaning button in the back. Now with this machine, the water tank's actually from the front. You can take it off when you want to change the roller or anything and just pull the roller off from the side. You can replace it or do whatever you need to do with it. When you put it back in, just make sure you snap it in so it goes in completely, and you can add the detergent and the water right on the bottom so there. It's really easy to actually put everything you need to into it and be ready to go. The water tank being at the bottom makes it more lightweight. When you're moving it around, it's not as heavy. The dirty water and debris is from the top. Now make sure that you do have the filter in when you're working with it, because without the filter it won't work. I am voice-overing this, so I made that mistake. The great thing about this one here is it does have two separate spaces for the debris and the liquid, so they're separated when you're cleaning. Let's go ahead and test it out. Apparently I didn't press record while I was doing the sprinkles, so here we go with the wet milk on the floor, which as moms we know that's the biggest issue is always when we have littles, the wet milk on the floor. You can actually see the sprinkles right in that container there where they were separated to the top, and now it's going to go ahead and pick up that milk with one. It's really easy to use, and the fact that you don't have the edges, the roller is kind of on there, makes it that you can get the edges very easily. Now I did do a mixture of the sprinkles and the milk together to see if it separates them, and it also picked them up so easily, and everything that kind of came out nice and clean. Another great feature it has is that you can lay it all the way flat, so you can actually with like 6 inches be able to get under couches, under tables, wherever you want to go. That's going to be laid completely flat on there. Cleaning out the container is super easy too. You can see the sprinkles from the back and the milk at the bottom. Just open dump out the debris, and then you can wash it very easily right in your sink. And to the cleaning cycle also, it's very easy. You just need to press the button at the top. It's going to start cleaning it by itself. Just press that button at the top, not the power one, the one all the way at the top, and it's going to start giving you prompts of what it needs you to do, which is basically clear out the water. And then when it's done, hot air does come from the bottom so that it's cleaning the brush, and the brush gets dry up to like 90%. It takes about 5 minutes for the brush to finish cleaning out and drying. After that, do clear out the water so that no smell or anything comes in. This Tineco is definitely functional, easy to use, and you can grab it on the go really quick and clean it up really quick. Let me know your questions so I can answer them. I'm going to leave everything in the comments below for you guys to check out, and don't forget to subscribe.